Do you think starting a broiler farm business is expensive? Then think again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use 300,000 naira to make 120,000 naira from backyard broiler business in just 6 weeks. Okay, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step of how you can construct a poultry structure in your backyard. You don't need to get a land anywhere, just a little space in your backyard you can use to construct this house, and you can make up to 120,000 naira in just 6 weeks. And the good thing is you can make more than this 120,000 naira. You can make close to 200,000 naira in your subsequent batches, because you don't have to build the house again. You don't have to buy the materials that you use for feeding them, that is the feeder and the drinkers. You don't need to buy all those things again. It's just your feed and your day-old chick. So I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. Okay, now if you are new to this channel, I am Oche from Global Farms. I'm a profitable broiler farmer in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Then I want us to leave comments in this section. If you've ever started a backyard broiler business before, let me know in the comment section. And if you are willing to start a backyard broiler business, okay, just also let me know in the comment section. If you need help, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now let me show you how I did it and the list of materials I got for this backyard broiler house. The idea was originally my wife's idea. She bought some cockerels on my broiler farm, and I told her I don't want any bird to be on my broiler farm since I'm starting a new batch, in order to reduce transfer of disease from the old birds to the broilers. So she said she will move all of them home and I should try to construct a cage for her. So on the second thought, I think after selling these cockerels, I think she can also use it to brood broilers in this place, to brood and raise broilers in this place. So you can see I constructed it with my brothers. You can see them there. We did the construction ourselves. Okay, so we moved down the cockerels to this place. There are actually 46 cockerels, 46 matured cockerels, and to my amazement, I thought they were all male. I can see some female among them. Okay, so we decided to do this construction, and from what we have on ground now, she can as well raise 50 broilers comfortably in this cage. So after she sells this cockerel, she's going to raise 50 broilers, and she'll be making her own money here from the comfort of her house. The good thing about this is most of the people living in the neighborhood, they know I sell broilers, and it's difficult for me to transport most of the broilers down home, especially if they are buying just one bed or two beds or three beds. The transportation will be too much. That is why we decided to build this cage. Okay, so now she can have bed at home always. And the good thing is those people buying from the neighborhood, they don't buy as cheap as those bulk buyers. Okay, a broiler in the neighborhood can be sold for 10,000-12,000, which is good money. Why the people who sell to as wholesale, they come to buy at the rate of 7,000-8,000 depending on the size of the beds. Okay, so with this one now, she can make very good money on her own, and if she's out of stock, I can as well bring from my farm and stock this place before she starts to brood another one. Okay, so for the building, I used 3 roofing sheets. I divided one roofing sheet into 2. You can see that the length is not up to one full length of roofing sheet, so I divided one roofing sheet into 2. So one roofing sheet costs 2,200 naira, so 3 of them is 6,600 naira. Okay, then the plank, I used 6 plank. You can see the flooring of the chicken house, right? The flooring there. So I used 6 planks, 3 on top and 3 below, and each plank costs 2,500, so the 6 of them is 15,000 naira. Then I've got 5 yards of chicken wire, that's a chicken net. Okay, 1 yard is 800 naira, so the 5 yard cost me 4,000 naira. Then I also got 10 pieces of 2x2 poles. Okay, one of those poles is 600, so 10 of it is 6,000. You can see those poles that are standing, the structure there. Okay, then I also bought 5 yards of white plastic sheet. That's a transparent plastic sheet, but they call it white. A yard of it is 800 naira, so I got 5 yards, which is 4,000 naira. And I also got 3 yards of black plastic sheet. The black plastic sheet, I use it to lay on top the flooring, okay, so that the dust or the wood shavings will not fall through the wood, the gap in between the woods. I don't want the wood shaving to fall through, so I use the black plastic sheets to cover it. Okay, then I got 1 pound weight of 2 inches nails, which is 1,000 naira. I got zinc nail and gaskets. Okay, the one that they've already attached gasket to it, they sell it like that. So I got 1,500 naira quantity of it. Okay, then okay, the structure I built myself. Okay, so if you want to build, maybe you want to call someone to come and build for you, the cost is estimated at 20,000 naira. I know 20,000 naira will be enough. Okay, so the total expenses for building this house that we are seeing is 59,600. that is if you are calling someone to construct it for you, but since I built it myself, it cost me about 39,600. okay, then for the beds, the day old chick, the prices changes. Sometimes we get it like 35,000-40,000, and sometimes it gets to 70,000. so I'm using 50,000 as an average cost of day old chick. Okay, then you need 1 drinker, medium sized drinker, not the very big one. One of it is 1.5, so 2 of it is 3,000 naira. Then you need these long feeders that they manufacture locally. The one they use aluminium pan to manufacture, so you need 2 of them, 2 long ones, so that it will be enough for the birds to use it. You don't need to get plenty feeders. Okay, so each of them cost 2,000 naira the last time I bought it, and the 2 of them will be 4,000 naira. Then you can get a kerosene lantern from Jumia. If you're in Nigeria, you can get kerosene lantern from Jumia. You order it online in Jumia, so you can get it from there, and it costs 10,000 naira online. Okay, then you need kerosene, like 10,000 worth of kerosene is going to be enough. Then the feed, you need like 6 bags. One good thing about keeping these broilers at home is you don't need to throw away your remnant at home, the food you eat and the remaining one at home. Instead of trashing them, you can just give them to the broilers and they are going to love it. Okay, then medicine and antibiotics, you don't need much. 1 sachet of each can be enough. Okay, so like 10,000 naira is going to be enough for medication and antibiotics. Then transportation, other logistics altogether, I put them in the transportation. Okay, so 10,000 naira is going to be enough. Then brooding paper, you can use your old books at home for the brooding paper. Your children, their school books, you can use them for brooding paper. That is what I am using. So for sawdust, you can go to the timber shades, the timber area, and you can get sawdust for free. Okay, so the total of this is 253,000. so when you add this to the cost of the house, you get a total of 312,600. okay, let us do the maths now for the profit. Okay, so assuming we have 45 survival at maturity, it's easy to attain this because we are taking care of them at home, so it's easy to attain this. Okay, and I told you in the neighborhood we sell between 10 to 12,000. so let's say we sell at 10,000 naira. Okay, then the total revenue after selling the 45 will be 450,000 naira, right? Then the total expenses for building the cage and raising the beds is 312,600. we've already calculated this before. So your profit now will be 450,000 minus 312,600, and that will give us 137,400 naira, which is a very good profit. Okay, so we can achieve this. So guys, you can see how cheap and easy it is to start a broiler farm business in your backyard. So even if you don't have the 300,000 naira, you can start with half of it, right? That is like 150,000 naira, and you build a smaller structure to be able to hold 25 chicks, right? That is half carton of 25 chicks, and with this, maybe your profit will be like half of the profit you are supposed to make, and it's still good money, right? With just 150,000 naira, you're still making close to 60,000-70,000 naira as profit. It is still good money in just 6 weeks. So guys, if you are ready to start a backyard poultry business and make good money out of it, let me know in the comment section. And if you have trouble starting, also let me know in the comment section. I respond to all my comments. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe because you get helpful broiler farming tips from this channel. Okay, then I have a lot of documents in the description of my video that you can use for your farm, so you can go ahead and download those documents. So I am Oche from Global Farms. Peace. I'm out.